Welcome back to the workshop. We've covered the what and the how of automation workflows. Today, we're meeting the who, the all-star lineup of tools that will become your trusted companions on this automation journey. Think of this as your first look at your new digital toolbox. Each tool has a unique purpose and power. First up, let's talk about the connectors, the integrators. Zapier is the friendly giant. It's incredibly easy to use and connects to over 7,000 apps. If you need to quickly link two services together, Zapier is often the fastest way to do it. It's perfect for beginners. Make, which you might know by its old name, Integromat, is the power user's choice. It gives you a visual canvas to build incredibly complex multi-step workflows with branching logic. It's for when you need more control and precision. And then there's N8N. N8N is the open source champion. It's for the builders, the tinkerers. You can host it yourself, customize it, and build incredibly powerful workflows with its node-based editor. Now, let's talk about the future. What if you didn't have to build the workflow step by step? What if you could just ask? That's Manus. Manus is an autonomous AI agent. You don't give it a list of instructions, you give it a goal. Research the top 5 competitors for my new product and create a presentation summarizing their strengths and weaknesses. Manus will figure out the steps and get it done. It's like having a brilliant, tireless intern. What about those old, clunky desktop apps or websites that don't have a modern API? How do you automate those? Meet UiPath, a leader in robotic process automation, or RPA. UiPath creates software robots that can mimic your actions. They can click, type, and navigate through applications just like a human would. It's the perfect tool for automating processes that involve legacy systems. Now, let's get even more specialized. What if you could hire an AI to do a specific job, like manage your email or schedule your meetings? That's the idea behind Lindy AI. Lindy allows you to create and train AI employees for specific roles. You can build an AI assistant that understands the context of your business and handles tasks like a seasoned pro. It's all about creating specialized agents to offload your work. Finally, what if AI was just built into the tools you already use every day? That's Google Workspace Studio. Powered by Gemini, it lets you build your own AI agents right inside Google Workspace. Imagine automating report generation in Google Sheets, summarizing long email threads in Gmail, or creating documents from a simple prompt. It brings the power of AI directly into your daily workflow. So, which tool should you use? The answer is, it depends. The best automators have a full toolbox and know which tool to pull out for which job. Sometimes you need the simplicity of Zapier. Sometimes you need the power of Make. And sometimes you need the intelligence of Manus. Over the next several weeks, we're going to get hands-on with every single one of these tools. You'll learn their strengths, their weaknesses, and how to combine them to create truly powerful automation solutions. For your project today, you'll be thinking about which tool is the right fit for different scenarios. Let's get to it. Enjoyed this lesson? Stay ahead of the curve in AI automation. Join our newsletter at news@makeittakeit.org for the latest news, tips, tool updates, and upcoming events delivered straight to your inbox.